Asheville, a charming town nestled in the beautiful Blue Ridge foothills. Known for its vibrant and artsy atmosphere, Asheville has built a reputation as one of the most creative communities in the region. Its lively town center is filled with unique boutiques showcasing handmade local creations, alongside cozy bars and incredible places to eat. As you stroll through the streets, you'll often be greeted by musicians and street performers, adding a dynamic energy that makes the city feel alive at every corner. But Asheville isn't just about art and culture. It's also home to one of America's most iconic landmarks. Just a short drive away lies the world-famous Biltmore Estate, built between 1889 and 1895. This grand chateau-style mansion is the largest privately owned home in the United States. With its stunning architecture, expansive gardens, and rich history, it attracts nearly 1.5 million visitors every year. Whether you're drawn by creativity, history, or scenic beauty, Asheville offers an unforgettable experience that truly stands out.